Assalamu alaikum, this is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can convert your number into dollar, okay, by dollar formula. Like here is some text, okay, that was a target and I want to convert into dollar. For this I will just start the formula, okay, and I already told you that every formula I started from sign of is equal to, okay, for is equal to DOLLAR dollar, parentheses open, and I will select my cell where the number is, okay, and the parentheses will be closed and it will be like this, and I will exclude the decimal from here. Like I think this is not possible. From here I can check it, and it will be possible. I will make it 0, so it's still showing, okay. I will, yes, from here comma, and I will put 0, and there will be no decimal, so you can add that comma 0. So this is the way by which you can convert the number into dollar sign, and you can drag that formula downward. So this is all for this tutorial. I already told you that how you can convert the number into the dollar with dollar sign. So one more thing, that is you just need to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/c/my-tutorial, and my Facebook page is www.facebook.com/my-tutorial, okay. This is my Facebook page, and I already mentioned that the feedback is very effective, is very beneficial for effective communication, and I always be looking for your feedback. So kindly give me your feedback, that what kind of working I'm doing, and you can also share your any project on which I should work. So this is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for your time.